बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। TSS पाकिस्तान अफेयर्स पास्ट पेपर सॉल्यूशन ऑब्जेक्टिव पार्ट जो है इसका आज जो है वो 2008 ईयर का देखेंगे। इसमें जो MCQs थे उनमें पहला लिखा हुआ है महमूद ऑफ गजनी वेग्ड अ वॉर अगेंस्ट रेबेलियस इंडिया इन द ईयर ऑफ 1000। Shahabuddin Muhammad Ghori defeated Prithviraj in the year 1192 in the field of Taruri. Qutbuddin Aibak was succeeded on Delhi throne by Aram Shah. The downfall of Muslim rule in India started with the demise of Aurangzeb. The Holy Quran was first translated into Persian by Shah Waliullah. Sixth, Anjuman-e-Islam Punjab was founded for the renaissance of Islam in the year 1859. Pakistan's constitution should incorporate the essential principles of Islam, which are as good and relevant in our day as were 1300 years ago, but Pakistan would not be a theocratic state ruled by priests. This statement was given by Qaid-e-Azam. Next, who was appointed the first president of Muslim League? इनमें से कोई भी नहीं है। नवाब वकार मुल्क, नवाब सलीमुल्लाह, नवाब विकारुल मुल्क भी जो है नहीं है। Who divided Bengal into East and West Bengal in July 1905? Lord Curzon. Diarchy was first introduced in the Act of 1919. The resolution of non-cooperation with British government was passed in the meeting of All India Muslim Congress in 1920, which was held in none of these. The Simon Commission arrived in India on 3rd February 1928. The British Prime Minister Ramsay MacDonald announced the Communal Award in 1932 at the end of Second Round Table Conference. All India Muslim League observed Direct Action Day on August 16, 1946. Objective resolution was passed by Constituent Assembly of Pakistan on March 12, 1949. With regard the division of power between Federation and provinces, the Constitution of Pakistan 1962 was provided with two lists of subjects. The height of Pakistan's highest mountain peak, Godwin Austen, जो कि K2 के नाम से जानी जाती है, इज़ 28,250 feet. The government of Pakistan established the Indus River System Authority in the year 1992. Under the Indus Water Treaty of 1960, Pakistan has the right to use exclusively the water of Chenab, Jhelum, and Indus. At present, Pakistan has vast natural resources and atoms of mineral as many as 52.